Hello friends, and welcome to another video. What? Oh, that's the wrong intro. Okay, got it. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And guys, today we're going to be playing with the brand new Sapphire Obsessions palette by Huda Beauty. I'm really excited about it. I wanted to do like a really fun sapphire blue tutorial since I've got this one. The ones that I was so excited about, I was excited for this one, the red one, and the green one the most. I have all 5 of them, but I was so excited for those 3. So I have this one. This is the newest one that I got, and I wanted to do a tutorial on it, just a fun quick eye look. So that's what we're gonna do today. So you guys, if you would like to see the eye tutorial using the Sapphire Obsessions palette, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so I got you zoomed in here. So what we're gonna do is I am going to start off with, I'm gonna go ahead and just show you the palette for one. So when you open it up, it looks like this inside. It's so pretty. It's got these really nice deep dark blues, a little silver in there, and a pop of yellow right here. So pretty. I haven't actually swatched these yet, so let's go ahead and just do that. You want to? I got 3 here. We'll just do 3. Oh, that's pretty. That one was creamy, yeah. Ooh, look at that one. Awesome. I'm stoked. So we're going to go ahead and get right into it here. Which one was that? Oh, I thought it was... Oh, it's not. I thought it was like almost black looking. It's not. Awesome. Okay, cool. So we're going to go ahead and start off here. We're going to actually start off with a Morphe M518 brush, and we're going to go into this shade right here. They don't have names, but this shade right here. Sorry, right here. And we're going to actually put that into the crease. And just blend that all the way out. Oh, this is actually not doing too badly. Sometimes with like really bright colors, I get a little nervous that they're not going to blend out super well because they are very bright and it takes a lot more to get them correct. But this is actually doing just fine. Just back and forth, windshield wiper motions just to make sure everything is blended out. Yeah, I'm liking this. I like that a lot. And that was super easy to blend out. That was so fast. So next we're going to go in with this shade right here, this dark blue up at the top. And we're actually going to use that same brush and we're going to just use that to deepen up the crease. So we're going to, actually, you know what? I don't want to use this brush. I'm going to use this one. This is a Morphe M506. And we're going to use that, deepen up the outer portion of the lid, and then we are also going to bring that into the crease like this a little bit. You guys, I have the Shallows from A Star Is Born stuck in my head, and I've been singing that song all day long. It's beautiful. I haven't seen the movie yet. I want to, but I haven't seen the movie just yet, but that song is so good. Alright, so this shade, if you can see this right here, see how that's being a little bit patchy there? So we're going to have to go back and forth and kind of blend that out. Or we may actually be able to cover it up with the shimmer shade we put on there. We'll see. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. And we're actually going to go ahead and just, while we're here, just run that light blue shade along the lower lash line. And then darken it up with that darker blue. And smoke it out a bit. Oh, I think that's enough actually. Awesome. Dope. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're actually going to go into this shade right here, this middle shade. This looks so pretty, and then this is the one right here. It's that one on my wrist. I didn't actually realize what color it was, but I love this color. So we're going to go in first on my finger and just pat it on. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so I have a feeling I'm going to go back in with a brush. I'm going to go in, this is literally, you can use any kind of flat packing brush, but this is from a brand that I got off of Groupon a while ago. So, it's called Makeup For You. I mean, whatever. So we're going to use this And I have a little bit of Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water right here. And we're just going to give that a little spritz. And we're going to go back in. Guys, oh my god, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. I like this a lot. I didn't think I would like this all too much. I knew I would like the blue, but like I didn't think it would just look this cool. Ooh, I like it. So that is all we're going to do for the actual lid part of the eye. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my liner and lashes off camera, and then I will come back to you and we will do the lipstick. And I'm back, you guys. So I went ahead and I did my liner, lashes off camera, and for a lipstick I used this right here. So I actually love these lips paired with these eyes. I don't know why. Correct me if I'm the only one thinking that. But I think it looks really good. I used the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Echo Park. I feel like I've used this one a good amount in the last few videos. I don't know. Is that just me? Maybe I feel like I've used it more than I have. But I like this. Guys, this palette is really good. Like, I feel like I've heard people say in the past, these are the first Huda Beauty palettes I've ever used before, because I don't have the rose gold one or the desert dusk palettes. I really want to get her a nude one that's coming out pretty soon on like November 1st or something. I am getting that 100%, but these are the first ones that I've ever used from her, and you guys, I gotta say I'm highly impressed, especially with how these like blended out and like the actual performance of them. I want to do something. I want to actually swatch this yellow because I have yet to find a yellow. That's not bad. Okay, so it is a little sheer. You can see that right there. A little yellow swatch, but I want to actually use this yellow because I want to use the yellow. Ooh, we can actually stick. Wait. I'm so not professional doing this. I'm sorry about that. I literally did that like so unprofessionally. I was just like, I just thought about the yellow in there and I was just like, wait, I forgot. I wanted to use the yellow, but I actually, what I ended up doing is, if you saw, I put that light blue and then that dark blue underneath, and then I took that yellow and put it in like the inner corner right here, and it turned like a lime green color because blue and yellow make green. Oh my god, I'm so much more happy. I was happy with it even before doing this, but this is really cool color theory, you guys. Oh my god. Anyways, so this has been the look for today, you guys. I really hope that you did enjoy it. I hope that you like this look. If you would love to recreate it, please do. Obviously, I don't know why I'm saying that, but yeah, this is the first Huda Beauty palette that I have used, and I really like it. I think it's worth it. It's 25 or 27 for it. I think it's 25 for each one, and I gotta say they're worth it. You know, should you get all of them? No. Do you want, if you want all of them, should you get them? Yes, because they're good. But yeah, you guys, that's going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and pick up that like button for me and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.